Jungle.
Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 Special Edition produced GT40's 50th anniversary at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, 1968 and 1969. Joe Hinrichs, Ford's Global Operations President, said, shortly after its launch, the 2019 Ford GT Heritage Edition has become one of the most anticipated cars in the world, featuring paint color. Special. The Ford GT Heritage Edition is styled in the style of the 9th GT40 winning the Le Mans in 1968. With mainstream blue tones combining orange and black details of carbon. Buyers can customize the color by placing a garage door and a bonnet with carbon material. $2.5 million is the amount that the collector Rick Hendrick, USA, must spend to own the first Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 supercar with VIN 001. Rick Hendrick is the owner of the Hendrick Motorsports Racing Team, USA. He has the right to sell the number 1 Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 at any time without being bound by a Ford deal. The $2.5 million auction from Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 will be for charity. This is also Ford's way of resonating in efforts to compete with other supercar brands. Inspired by the design of the racing car GT40 that won the famous Le Mans in 1968, the new Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 uses the same color scheme. Of course, the new design is much more modern thanks to the use of premium materials. Column A on Ford GT Heritage Edition in carbon. The 20-inch wheels are made of polished black stainless steel aluminum alloy. The interior of the car exudes a luxurious look including premium leather Alcantara in ebony, 4 seats, dashboard, ceiling, column, and steering wheel. Blue, orange, and dark stainless steel details are cleverly coordinated, creating impressive contrast. Sport seats inspired by GT40's racing seats. Central steps and pedestals use carbon fiber vane. Ford GT Heritage Edition 2019 number 1 uses the standard twin-turbocharged V6 EcoBoost engine. 3.5-liter capacity, producing maximum power of 647 horsepower and 744 Nm of torque. This power is transmitted to the wheel shaft through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Ford's new supercar can reach a maximum speed of 374 km/h. 2019 Ford GT Heritage Edition impresses with natural, orange, and special blue motifs.